everybody, welcome to my channel. MW here. Man, beautiful day on this autumn day of November. Can't wait, it's that time, man. It's that time where you have very limited riding days because of the weather. Right now, man, it's like 74 degrees out here. Mid-autumn. So we got very limited riding time. So I'm going to take the best of it. I think tomorrow we're supposed to get rain. So I think we get rain for the next couple of days. Hopefully Saturday I get to ride. Today is Wednesday. So hopefully on this Saturday I'll get to ride. It's supposed to be in the 50s. I'll ride in the 50s. It's not too bad. But today is a little breezy, a little cloudy, but beautiful 75-degree weather. You gotta enjoy it as much as possible. Who knows what's around the corner, especially in the fall. Tell you what though, I'm not putting my bike up. I done got addicted to it, man. I just got addicted to riding. No way I'm putting my bike up. So get some nice warm days in the fall and winter. I'm getting on the bad boy. I'm out. I don't care. 50 and above, I'm riding. I want to give a shout out to the guy I met down in the city dock, man. Glad you subscribed to my channel. Hope you enjoy my content. It was nice meeting you. Hope we can meet up again someday. I tell you, the reason why basically I made my channel is basically for me and for my family, man. I've only been riding for like 2.5 years, and I decided to make a channel just to document my ride and stuff, show it to me, see how much I've improved in riding, show my family, that's basically why I made the channel, man. I'm not out to make any money on this channel. I'm just out here just having fun and basically for me. And whoever subscribes along the way, welcome. Yeah, I'm not gonna do anything, no gimmicks to get subscribers and stuff. Like I said, it's just basically for me and my family and whoever wants to tag along on my journey of riding. It's basically what I'm doing. That's why I'm doing this channel. I just love riding, and I just want to share my experience with anybody who wants to tag along. I tell you what, I do appreciate my subscribers though, very much. It's just beautiful, guys, it's just beautiful. I just love riding out here in Virginia. It's one beautiful state, man. tell you what, man, 2.5 years of riding. When I first started riding, I didn't think I was going to enjoy it this much, man. But this stuff is addictive. It's just, I don't know. I tell you what, though, I'm glad I started riding at the age I did, you know. So I'm telling you, I'm glad I started riding when I was younger, which I wanted to, but I'm glad I waited. I probably wouldn't be here right now. And so I would bought me a crotch rocket in my younger days. I was been one of them speed demons. Don't give a care about anything, just speeding and everything, man. Since I matured, older, I appreciate, you know, the beauty of what this world brings, man. It's just beautiful out here. Be out here in the open, in the environment. Love it. You just cruise, just take everything in. That's what riding is all about for me, man. Just cruising and just taking in the scenery. I'm in no hurry to do anything anymore. Speed to me, no big deal, man. That's not fun. Right here, what I'm doing, just cruising out here on the open road. That's what I like. This is me. I'm the type of person who likes traveling anyway. I do that, you know, my business, I travel a lot. And I wish I could take the motorcycle when I go traveling, but I can't. So I just, man, I love it. It's a little breezy out here today, but I'm enjoying it, man. And to see motorcyclists out here, man, I love it. Man, this is fun. I'll tell you what, if you have a bad day and you want a motorcycle, let me know. When you get on that motorcycle, when you start riding, and when you get done riding, it just brightens your day. I mean, I can have a bad day and I'll hop on a motorcycle and just start riding, and it brings a big smile on my face. Just makes my day. And I can keep on going. I can just keep going, man. It's just that rejuvenated, you know. Like riding a motorcycle is a good pick-me-up. A real good pick-me-up. Well, guys, I'm going to end it right here because I'm almost at my destination. Thanks for tuning in. If you like what you hear, like my content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like the video, and share it. And I will catch you guys on the flip. Deuces.